Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Kecomer SL-886 automatic hair curler. Yeah, this is a really interesting product. This is I think a rather new thing on the market. It's sold by a couple of different brands. These automatic hair curlers, of course, are every woman's dream. Maybe some of the men's have it too, but I think it's a new innovation, and so we bought it and give it a try. Especially, of course, my wife has been using it, and this is my experience. What's really surprising about this product, it's listed on Amazon for around $39, and it has really bad reviews. I think around 26% give a 1-star review about this thing. So usually when such products come out on the market, they have a lot of good fake reviews, of course, and then people are buying them. Over time the reviews go down. So this is rather rare when a product is on the market and has already a lot of really bad reviews. And because my experience was totally different, I wanted to share this with you. Of course, you know, this is not my premium topic of my channel, but because of the reviews differ so much compared to our experience, I wanted to share this with you. So this is the device. It comes with a little bit of accessories and also charging cable. You can charge it here with the micro USB cable. You can also use, that's also interesting, because it has a large battery built in inside. If you travel with this thing here, you can use it to charge something else, like give your phone a little bit of extra charge. By the way, if it's focusing, we can see a little bit of description and specs and so on. But here is how it works. With a long press here, we can turn it on. So first, after starting, we have a blinking temperature, and with this button here we can switch between the temperature, at least as long as it's not heating. Now it's heating up, I guess. So let's pick the next thing. Now we can change the temperature. I had to press one more time. So you really have to press here, and as long as it's blinking, you have to change it. And I recommend to use 150 degrees Celsius. That has been working really good for us. Then you have a blinking left, right. You can also change this with this button. We have been using left. Then with another hit, you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and when you push again, you can change the time. And I can recommend to start with the lowest time, which is the 8 seconds, and we are already ready to use it. It has also finished heating up. You can see that the battery is fully charged. We can also feel the heat, and what we have to do here is just keep pushing, and the only thing which we have to do is to feed our hair into this slot here from the top. So you have actually the top part of your hair. By the way, don't take too much hair. So the top hair is then already here, and the lower part is going down outside, and it will be binded up here. So I'll just keep pressing and you will see what happens. So for the first 4 seconds it will coil the hair, then it is stopping. You don't have to change anything, you can keep pressing even, and it will count the seconds, and now after 8 seconds it's done. You can release it, and then you can pull out your hair, and it's done. That's the thing here. It's really super easy. I think you could even release this button here when we press it for 4 seconds. You hear that, and but when you stop, I'm not sure if you then hear the beeping. I think it's the same. It doesn't change anything. So after it stops spinning, you could actually release this button. It won't change anything. The thing is that some people are complaining about blockage of the hair inside here. Of course, you have to be careful. It's somehow a closed system. And when your hair is for too long inside, it could get burned. I mean, 150 degrees is not super hot, but it's still quite a high temperature, and if your hair is stuck like for a couple of minutes inside, that wouldn't be good. So I highly recommend to use a good comb, make it straight, And then what my wife told me, what she used when her hair got a little bit tangled inside, she gave an extra push here, and that usually solved the problem. So actually she did her whole hair, which is actually a lot, already 2 times, and she never got something really burnt. She has always been able to detangle and take it out. By the way, regarding the charge, it's quite some charge. I think she has been working for around 1 hour to make her full hair, and it has been lasting for the whole thing, for the whole treatment, and the result, I would say, is super good. I mean, especially when we consider the low temperature and how easy this is. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I haven't seen my wife so happy since long time. I mean, she has treated her whole hair and she was so super happy with it. I mean, she's not 20 years old anymore. She's a little bit old, and of course the older you are, the more difficult it is to treat your hair with something like that. So even after the second time, she confirmed me that she's still super happy with this set here. It's only $40, and I mean, she has been trying a couple of other things, similar things before, and she told me this is by far the easier thing, the best thing, and it provided her the best result by far. And the crazy thing is that it lasted really long. The curls lasted the whole day, and not only the whole day. When she woke up in the morning next day, the curls, or at least quite a lot of them, were still there. This is absolutely amazing. Of course, it's recommended to use maybe a little bit of hairspray after that to keep it in shape, but this is actually amazing. And this is from what I can see at the moment. Maybe it's changing over time, but at least at the moment I would say this is an amazing product, and the reviews at the moment are definitely not representing what we have experienced. So that's it for now. And by the way, probably this is really important for you to know, this is not a sponsored review. This is just my personal opinion. By the way, I'll put down the link to this one here down into the description, so you know which one you have to buy. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.